Now let us look into the applications of IoT in the modern world. We have looked into why IoT is important, what exactly is IoT. So now let's take some time and understand what are the current applications of IoT. Number 1, smart home. This refers to automated houses where the various appliances can be controlled remotely either via voice or via handheld devices. An interesting thing is that the database of smart homes for IoT analytics includes 256 companies and startups. More companies are now actively being involved in smart homes than similar other applications in the field of IoT. So, smart home is something which is very intriguing. Number 2, wearable. This particular section refers to all those devices which can be carried, worn by people while moving around. These devices are specialized in their functionalities. Straight example of such devices are smartwatches, Fitbits, etc. Number 3, smart city. Smart cities offer all types of cases. This includes traffic management to water distribution to waste management. Number 4, smart grids. Smart grid is basically an electricity network with a two-way flow of electricity. The data of a smart grid, with the help of digital communication technology, can detect and react to usage and multiple other issues. Number 5, industrial internet. Industrial internet is basically an extension of Internet of Things to the industrial sectors and the related applications. The industrial internet includes industrial applications that include robotics, medical devices, and software defined by the production processes. Number 6, connected car. A connected car can access or send data, download software, updates, patches, and can also connect with other devices. It can also give the provision of Wi-Fi on board to the passengers. Number 7, connected health. That is digital health, telehealth, telemedicine, etc. Connected health is a powerful area of digital health. It is a model that helps in healthcare delivery and management targeted to the efficient and effective action for the benefit of the citizens. Number 8, smart retail. Smart retail is the word used for those smart technologies that are designed to give consumers a greater, faster, and a smarter experience while shopping. Example Amazon. Number 9, smart supply chain. When IoT is applied to the global supply chain, it can help businesses serve their customers better while also saving the business money and improving the overall efficiency. And finally, number 10, smart farming. IoT based smart farming is a system that is built for monitoring the crop field with the help of various sensors and automating the irrigation system. The farmer, with the help of this particular system, can monitor the field conditions from anywhere. Now, these are some of the most commonly widespread applications of IoT. IoT has a wide scope and can basically look after applications outside these 10 applications as well.